Welcome to all. Today we have start our the topic of the Linux based videos. This is the first video of Linux. So we have discussed what is a Linux, what is the advantage of Linux, what is the advantage of Linux over than Windows. So we have started over the topic. So first, what is the operating system? An operating system is just like a platform where application and software can be done. This means suppose you want to use a MP3 player, so you first install a platform. That's the operating system is a platform. So there is a various kind of platform or operating system will be available in the market. That is the first one is Windows, Linux, Macintosh. You can use any kind of operating system. So we have discussed that is a Linux. Penguin is the official mascot of Linux based operating system, and the founder of Linux based is Linus Benedict Torvalds, born in 28 December 1969. He is a development of Linux operating system kernel. Today is as a project coordinator. Torvald is inspired from the Tannenbaum from the Minix operating system, which basically made for the teaching based purpose. So first kernel will be published on the internet in the 1991. The short time then thereafter is October, the second kernel version will be available. So we have later discussed what is a kernel. We have already discussed Penguin, Kevin. Then there is first is open source development model. Open source means you can easily download the codes and reuse as your purpose. Support wide variety of hardware. Suppose many networking protocol and configuration. Like Windows, you can IP version 4, IP version 6. Wide variety of hardware means you can easily install any kind of input output device without go to the third party software. Linux has a fewer bugs than Windows. Reason behind is Windows is based on the exe system and the virus is mostly write in exe format, and the Linux is not support the exe format, so Linux is much secure than Windows. There is a comparison between Linux versus Windows. Linux is open source development model, means you can easily download the source code and edit it for own purpose, whereas Windows is not available as open source. Linux is robust and secure from the virus. Linux services are from Windows Server operating system. Reason behind is security and cost. There is 250,000 developer is available in the Linux, while the limited number of developer in Windows. There is various kind of flavors like Red Hat, Fedora, OpenSUSE, CentOS, Backtrack, Kali, Ubuntu. You can use any kind of flavors in Linux based operating system. The most famous is Red Hat because we have generally used for the server purpose. The most important topic in the Linux base is that is a kernel. So kernel is actually your service that you complete your all requirement and fulfill your all request. That is a kernel. बढ़िया सर
कॉपी करनी है मुझे
एक there is a various kind of shell. So shell is actually, you can say, there is a waiter kind of a person. The person you takes your order and go to the person who makes your order. So the person which take your order as your waiter, that is your shell, and the person which you fulfill, you make your order, that is your kernel. That is the very simplest way. So there is various kind of available shell which are using by various kind of flavors. So I hope we have stopped there, and we have discussed in later on various next videos. We have discussed what is commands, what is the advantage of multi-user multitasking, and we have covered this topic. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Comments if you have any query. Thank you.